Welcome to my channel. Please be sure to click the like button and subscribe so you can see more of my videos in the future. Thank you. Today I am going to show and tell you how to make my brother's scalloped potatoes and ham casserole. I will also have the ingredients and directions listed below this video in my description box for you. Here is a list of the ingredients: ham, potatoes, corn, peas, butter, milk, onion powder, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. You will need a deep 13 by 9 inch baking dish, and you will want to layer your potatoes, ham, peas, and corn like this. My brother made 3 layers. Once you have all of those ingredients in your baking dish, in a separate bowl you need to mix together your milk, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Then, using 1 part cornstarch plus 1 part water, make a slurry in a small container to mix in with the milk. Add melted butter, stir, and pour over the casserole. With all of the ingredients being cold or frozen, this casserole took 2 hours to bake. The first hour was set for 350 degrees, and the second hour was set at 375 degrees. The cornstarch slurry will help to thicken the milk in the casserole so that it's thick and creamy. And here is the scalloped potatoes and ham casserole with vegetables once it is done. It looks absolutely beautiful, and from what I have heard from my father and brother, it was absolutely delicious. I'd like to give my brother Todd a shout out and a big hug and thank you for helping me out while I was so sick. I appreciate the pictures and the instructions and the love and support for my channel. Thank you so very, very much. God loves you, and so do I. This concludes this week's episode of 2022 Fall Food Fridays. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking and supporting my channel. God bless each and every one of you. Have a lovely weekend.